And yo, and I taste people if you need a youth. Why not taste it for? We're not doing things with the car again. It's all about the plan. One of them meet it. One of them meet it. Yo, everything militant. What's about you? Shame, you know. Shame. Yo, they say the boy is going for a big long time. They're a big long time. They love this. They love this bumbuck lad, yeah. They love the car, they just don't drink it up. This is all I drive by now. You see me now? I ain't funny, I'm saying to them like it's just a beach from me now. Stop out that vehicle. You park over there, sir. Oh, I'm here. Why don't park over there, sir? We're a long time we have cooperated them boy. I'm here. I said about how we deal with that. I said about how we deal with that. That's the first